Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing one of the UbioLabs Wireless Chargers. I've been a fan of wireless chargers ever since I upgraded my iPhone. Just the idea of setting my phone down is pretty cool. Now this box here that I received is a demo, so I'm not 100% sure if the retail packaging will look exactly like this, but let's go ahead and unbox it and see what comes with it. So hold on a second, I'm working with one hand here. Just have to peel off this tape that they have. There we go. So let's get this box open. Struggling a bit. I don't really like to rip the boxes in these videos, but I'm not returning these, so alright, let's go ahead and take out and see what's in here. Struggling a little bit here. Might have to use my other hand. Nope, there we go. Alright, move this out of the way. So here you have the charging base, and it's pretty straightforward when you own a wireless charging base. You plug it in and you sit your phone right there in that circle. We have the USB connection and the power connection, so it looks like you'll be able to plug in a cable to this base to charge a secondary device that's not being charged on the wireless charging pad. And we have the wall adapter, so this is what goes into the pad and into the wall, and that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Once that's connected into the wall, you just place your phone right on the top of it, and there you go, your phone begins to charge. I like the way this pad feels. I'd probably purchase one of those for everyday use. I've been using the Samsung one because that's been my favorite one so far. Here we have the books. Anything you buy in technology usually comes with a step-by-step booklet to kind of tell you how to use the device, and it comes with the warranty information, so that's expected. User manual, safety instructions. So here we have it. We have unboxed the wireless charger, so don't forget to share and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.